Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making some macaroni salad. I have some bubbling water, 2 cups of elbow mac, cooking it according to the package directions. Next, I'm peeling 1 whole carrot into long strips like this. So now my noodles are done. I'm going to rinse them, drain them, and rinse them with cold water. That stops the cooking process. So here's my cooked, rinsed, and drained pasta. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for a little while so that it cools off. Now I'm going to make the dressing for my salad. This is mayonnaise. I'm adding some milk. This is apple cider vinegar. Salt and pepper, and a little bit of sugar. Now I'm going to mix this together. So here's my pasta. It is completely cooled off. And now I'm going to add my dressing. And here's my carrots. And now I'm going to mix it all together. So here's my pasta, you guys. My macaroni salad, it's completely mixed together. Cover it and put it in your refrigerator for at least a couple of hours. And it's going to combine, all the flavors will come together and it's going to be very tasty. So here's my macaroni salad. It does have a Hawaiian style flair to it. It's very, very tasty. It really takes a couple of hours before all the flavors infuse together. So yeah, it does taste different than when I first made it. I tasted it both times. It's very tasty. I like it a lot. So this is my Hawaiian style macaroni salad. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.